is the beauty of SPE. You are part of a network of professionals and a community which allows you to grow.
You know, I don't consider SPE as only a society. I consider SPE as a very close friend of mine and a mentor in my career.
I think the SPE, to some degree, is a real foundation in our industry. You know, when you start to become employed in the industry and you look to become involved and you look for networking, where do you go? The default is the SPE.
One thing is that I find SPE on the whole gives you an avenue, or gave me an avenue to use my skills. Sometimes, you know, you're in a job and you have a lot more that you can give, but you're kind of restricted sometimes. It gives you an avenue to network. I have met so many people being on this board, and I think they'll be friends for life.
It's been such a valuable experience, to be honest. The value of volunteering is something that I cannot say enough about. It's taught me so much about leadership and about managing groups, about putting together budgets, working with groups that don't always get along, dealing with conflict, so many wonderful things that, particularly given that I work for such a small company, those experiences and particularly some of that leadership experience that I was able to get through SPE and my involvement has just been really pivotal and critical to my career development. So it's something that I'm always going to be exceptionally grateful for.
As far as I'm concerned, SPE is one of few platforms where student, professional and top management of oil and gas companies blend with no boundaries. Interacting with new people with various background and interests play important role in my career, as it always inspire me and give me different perspective on seeing the challenges this industry or our industry is facing.
I'm committed to SPE. I've met some fantastic people over the years. It's incredible networking and incredible technical resource. So to me, that's great.
SPE is for you. There isn't a SPE headquarters as such. SPE is where you are. And when you lean into SPE, you can make SPE come to life in the place that you are.
For me, SPE has been a constant source of knowledge and the opportunity to have a professional growth by sharing technical advances and subject those experiences and technical contributions to the experts' scrutiny.
I see SPE's role becoming even more relevant as we go into the future, because we are the glue that brings everything together. We've got the technology, we've got the folks, we've got the skills, we've got the talent, and then we foster that discussion. So I think it's going to be much more relevant as we go into the future.
The oil industry is undergoing a lot of challenges. They're facing a lot of challenges related to sustainability, related to emissions, related to future needed skills. And SPE is the only, the way I see it, is the only platform that is available for to provide communication for companies where they can get together and can communicate, and they can network, and they can brainstorm and find a way for the future in terms of skills, in terms of technologies.
And things have been changing all the time, and we have seen some challenges, and we are actually always rose up and faced the challenges and ended up providing the world with energy. Being a member of the board allow us to have the facilities and the mean for petroleum engineer to continue to do that.
Without SPE, I think we'll be a bit alone in the journey in the energy industry. So we need SPE to be there to glue us together across the world.
I used to live in Africa for some time, and there is a proverb that touched my heart, that if you want to go fast, we go alone, but if you want to go far, we go together. With SPE and energy transition, we want to go far, so it's better to do it together.